we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go! Go, kitties, let's go!
The Great Race.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box. Look, Kate, racing caps.
Let's be scooter racers.
Yeah, we'll enter the great scooter race down Willy-Nilly Hill.
We can race against the ducks.
And I'm gonna win.
No way, Kit. I am. Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate could feel the excitement as they arrived at Willy-Nilly Hill.
Look at this hill. I'm gonna go so fast.
And I'm gonna go faster. Hi, ducks. See you at the starting line.
One scooter kit, please.
And one for me, too.
Here you go. Now take your boxes to the starting line and put your scooters together. When I fire the starting gun, the race begins.
And I'm gonna win it.
No, I am.
It looks like putting these scooters together is easy.
Kit and Kate emptied their boxes and began putting together the parts of their scooters.
Okay, one running board, one handlebar, and one wheel? But I need 2 wheels.
Kate was having trouble too.
Hey, my scooter doesn't have a handlebar. Kit's has a handlebar. Hey, Kit, can I have your handlebar?
Okay, but only if you'll trade me one of your wheels.
Deal.
All scooters to the starting line. Now.
Now I'm ready. I got 2 wheels. Oh, but no handlebar.
Great, now I have a handlebar. But only one wheel. Kit, I need my wheel back.
And I need my handlebar.
Trade?
Okay. Now I'm ready.
Me too.
Racers, on your mark. Get set. Go!
Kate, I need my wheel. Give it back to me.
Well, I need my handlebar.
I asked first.
No, I did.
Did not.
Did too.
We have a winner.
A winner? We didn't even start yet. If you had just given me your handlebars.
If you had just given me a wheel.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kids?
I lost the race.
Lost it? We didn't even start it.
How come?
There weren't enough scooter parts.
Not enough parts. Oh. Well, how many wheels does a scooter need to work?
2.
And how many wheels do you have altogether?
Well, I have 1 and Kate has 2. That's 1, 2, 3 altogether.
And how many handlebars does a scooter need?
Just 1. Here.
Interesting.
Hey, wait! I get it. There were enough parts for the scooter. We just needed to think about working together instead of working by ourselves, like the ducks. Then we could have had a scooter.
And a lot more fun. We get it. Thanks, Dad.
How did you know?
Kit, let's go back and try again.
Yeah, but this time we'll be a team.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate set off again for the race, but this time they thought about how they could win by working together.
2 scooter kits, please.
Here you go.
And who's gonna win?
We are! This is the coolest scooter ever!
And the best team ever.
All scooters to the starting line. Racers, on your mark. Get set. Go!
Kit and Kate raced off together down Willy-Nilly Hill. And working together, they had the greatest great race ever.
Yay! Where will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Baking Buddies.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
I don't know. Let's look in the box.
Look, Kit, aprons.
And baking hats. Let's be bakers.
Yeah, we can bake a cake for the Squirrel Princess's birthday.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate set out for the royal kitchen. They were so excited to make the Squirrel Princess the best birthday cake she'd ever had.
All right, let's get started. Now, where is that royal recipe book? Thanks, royal helpers. Come on, Kate. Let's pick out a yummy cake to bake. Banana bark cake.
Nah, too chewy.
Twigberry upside-down cake.
Too crunchy.
How about this one? Lemon duck cake. Oops, sorry. I got it. Amazing acorn layer cake.
The princess will love that. So what do we do?
The directions are right here. First, we need to gather the ingredients.
Well, that was easy.
Okay, put 3 cups of flour in a bowl.
Got it. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Next, add 1 cup of milk. I'll do it. I love milk.
I love milk too.
Now, 2 cups of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt.
Right, 2 cups of salt.
No, I said 2 teaspoons of salt. That's way too much.
Oops. Don't worry. We'll just add more sugar.
Perfect. Next, 2 cups of nuts.
Nuts? Yuck. Let's use fish instead.
Great idea. Okay, royal helpers, bake for 10 minutes.
Kit and Kate could hardly wait till their creation was ready.
Yay, it's ready! Woohoo!
I bet the princess has never seen a cake like ours before.
But the cake didn't come out quite the way they expected.
That isn't a cake, it's a rock.
But maybe it tastes good.
Blech!
Oh no, we ruined the princess's birthday.
And then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's the matter, kitties?
We tried to bake this cake for the princess, but it came out horribly.
Strange. I don't see any fish here in this recipe.
Well, that was our idea.
Your idea? But if you wanted to make this cake, why didn't you follow the directions?
'Cause we were having so much fun just doing it our own way.
But it doesn't seem like you're having fun now.
Of course not. We ruined the cake.
And the princess's birthday.
Now I understand. It might not always be as much fun just to do what the directions say.
But you'll be a whole lot happier when things come out the way you wanted them to.
Now that sounds like a recipe for success.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Come on, Kate, let's try again.
Yeah, but this time let's do it just like the recipe says.
Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their baking adventure all over again. But this time,
1 cup of milk.
And no more.
they followed the directions exactly.
Just 2 teaspoons of salt.
And when the cake was done,
It's beautiful. Now the candles. 1,
2,
3.
4.
The royal princess.
Is that my cake? Yes, it is. We hope you like it, Your Highness. Like it? I love it! This is going to be my best birthday party ever. I hope you'll come.
Really?
We'd love to.
and that was the beginning of a sweet friendship.